Welcome to another of my videos where I explain and work through A-level multi-choice questions. If you want to try this question yourself, pause the video now. If you came up with the answer C, give yourself a pat on the back. If you want to see my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. So a coin is projected horizontally from the top of a desk. The diagram shows the coin at one point in its path. The air resistance is negligible. The arrows E, F and G represent different directions. Which row gives the direction of the acceleration and the direction of the momentum of the coin at this point? Okay, so the first thing is we're told that air resistance is negligible. That means it's going to continue in the horizontal direction at a constant velocity. So there's no acceleration in the horizontal direction. However, it will constantly be accelerating downwards towards the ground due to gravitational force at a constant rate. So the only acceleration is in the vertical direction. So it's going to either be one of these. F is a line that's drawn at a tangent to the path. So F is showing the direction the coin is moving in at the time, which means it's also showing the direction of its velocity. As momentum is given by mass multiplied by velocity, and velocity is a vector quantity, the momentum must be in the direction F. So the only line where both these statements are correct is line C, your answer. I hope you found this useful. Please leave a like and a comment below, and I hope you'll watch more in the series.